As you can see, this dot on the camshaft is pointed at a really tiny dot right there. Same with the camshaft on the timing. It has a big dot on it. You just line it up with the outer gear on the crankshaft. There we go. Connecting rod surface looks amazing. No piston rod needed. There's the other surface on the piston side. That looks great. Even the piston itself looks really good. Shouldn't have to worry about a new piston. Just throw some rings on here, get it cleaned up good, get all this carbon built up, knocked off. I think we'll be fine. Crankshaft connecting surface looks amazing. No need for nothing there, just a good cleanup. It's pretty much just like you were saying, sir. That cylinder wall there is just, it's smoothed out. There's no real honing striations left in there. So we'll get that all honed back up, get our head surface cleaned off, get the new seals put in it, cleaned up real good. Get the inner side. You can see you was right. That oil is just black as it can be in there. Thankfully the cam surface there is good. All the bearings are good. It's nice and smooth. Even on the side cover, I mean, that's just as smooth as they get. You have no real issues here, sir. Just a fresh up like we were talking about, and I think we'll be good to go. I think these are going to be okay too. This is our head. I'm pretty sure I can get this valve cleaned up as long as it's not got a groove wore in it whatsoever. We could probably reuse those and they'll be fine. So I'll have your estimate made up soon and give you a shout, sir. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're going to put back together the Yamaha G29 here. And already got our surfaces cleaned up, got our cylinder honed out, got our head surface cleared up. Now it's just time to go back together. So on the Yamaha motor, you'll see the stamping on the piston. So when this goes in, that should be pointing down like that. And also you can tell because your slinger, the oil slinger, has to be pointed down towards the bottom of the block. So it should be in there like this. Remember, when you're putting the piston in here, you're going to need to help guide the rod onto the crankshaft, because if not, it'll start trying to kick down on you. Alright, so on the rod and on the cap, you'll see this little arrow right here. That matches another arrow on the other side of the rod. Just be sure they made up together when you go back with it. Alright, so the rod torque spec for the rod bolts, or end cap bolts, whatever, it's 177 inch-pounds. So that's what we're going to set it at today. You'll probably have to roll this around so that you can get to that top bolt. And it just depends on the setup you got. This is what I have to use. Okay. Just want to roll it around a little bit just to double check. Make sure it's good and free in there. And we are. Now we can get our balance shaft. And it has timing marks on it. Right there is the big dot on the balance shaft. And then you're just going to line it up with the dot on the gear of the crankshaft. You have to put it in proper though, not backwards like I about did. Then after you get the balance shaft put in, you're ready for the camshaft to go in. Be sure you put your tappets back in. Same with the camshaft on the timing. It has a big dot on it. You just line it up with the outer gear on the crankshaft. So let me give you a better view here. As you can see, this dot on the camshaft is pointed at a really tiny dot right there. And then our balance shaft is pointed at the tiny dot right here. And you can see the crankshaft has two separate gears. The balance shaft lines up with the back gear. The camshaft lines up with the outer gear. Got a side cover on. Now we're going to move to getting our cylinder head on. Now we're going to get our push rods put in. We're going to get our rocker arms and pin put in. Good time to clean your flywheel magnet while it's out. Good fresh clean surface for the flywheel magnet. Got a half moon key. Goes back in the crankshaft when you don't drop it. Gonna let the valves loose real quick. Alright, valves are lashed up now. Now we can finish out putting all the stuff together. Little handy dandy business card. Once you get your business card out or wherever you need to gap that properly, you want to roll it, make sure that it's not hitting. Nice. Gonna get our valve cover back on now. Alright guys, hopefully this rebuild of the G29 will help some of you out. Now you can send it to us to have repaired right here in the shop. Check out the link in the description for the video on our engine process. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Leave us a comment if you need to about something. And also, subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching.